Apple iPhone users will face a choice this September unlike any other year, if the latest reports prove true. It looks like there will be 3 new models, not the usual 4, and they'll include an all-new folding model for the first time. Here's what to look forward to, newly updated with further details of the iPhone Fold's release date. For example, Apple iPhone 18 Pro. Colorful and powerful. It looks like the iPhone 18 Pro Max will no longer be the most expensive iPhone this fall, but it will continue to be the most advanced in terms of the number of rear cameras, 3. It'll have the latest processor, the A20 Pro, using an advanced 2nm process that it looks like this year will be the second year running that there will be no iPhone Pro in the traditional black color, like the current iPhone 17 Pro range. Read full details of this here. However, the exact color range is not yet known, though the current hero, Cosmic Orange, will almost certainly be retired. While the Pro will continue to be the choice for many, perhaps most, iPhone users, the first folding iPhone, thought to be called iPhone Fold or iPhone Ultra, will have a premium price tag and will likely be the most expensive iPhone ever. The A20 Pro chip from the iPhone 18 Pro will surely be used on the iPhone Fold, though it may have a different number of processors, and early reports suggest 2 external cameras, not 3. But its unique extra, a display that folds out to be roughly the same size and shape as the original iPad mini, will surely attract buyers. It's certainly much talked about at this point iPhone 18 Fold release date. Until now, the strongest rumor about when the folding iPhone would appear came from Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, who said emphatically that it would be coming later than the iPhone 18 Pro's expected September release. Instant Digital has a different slant. The iPhone Fold has already begun trial production at Foxconn, the leak said, which could mean that barring any unforeseen circumstances, the iPhone Fold foldable screen will likely begin mass production around July, similar to the iPhone 18 Pro, and will be released simultaneously, as another commenter added. As more reports emerge, there will be a greater consensus of when, exactly, the new iPhone can be expected. And now, Mark Gurman has reversed his position in the light of new information. Apple Incorporated's first foldable phone is on track to arrive during the company's normal iPhone launch period later this year, people with knowledge of the matter said, rebutting concerns about major manufacturing snags. He said on April 7th on Bloomberg. So, the release date seems to be exactly the same as iPhones in recent years. The company is scheduled to introduce the foldable model in September alongside the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max, said the people, who asked not to be identified because the plans haven't been announced. Apple's phones typically hit store shelves the week after they're unveiled, Gurman went on. Though he had one further caveat. Still, the release is 6 months away and production has yet to ramp up. That means the timing isn't final. What about the iPhone 18? The 3 phones above may also gain extra sales because it looks like the iPhone 18 won't go on sale at the same time, being held until spring 2027 alongside the iPhone 18e and a second generation of iPhone Air. Gurman had an opinion about the iPhone 18's release, too. Apple is shaking up the iPhone's yearly release schedule. Its next entry-level model will be pushed back to spring 2027, Bloomberg News has reported. The company also plans to debut a new iPhone Air and a lower-budget iPhone 18e at that time. He said, the next iPhone release from Apple is expected this September and will include the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max. The design of these models will have been finalized by now, so the latest leak gives a clue to the display. And now a new leak claims to show exactly what the new look will be while another leak suggests a name for the new design. More on that below. iPhone 18 Pro leak. A new look for the display. The report suggests that the iPhone 18 Pro and 18 Pro Max, plus the iPhone 18, which is expected to come later, in spring 2027, will have similar bezels to the current models, but introduce a smaller dynamic island. The iPhone 18 series retains the same bezel design, except for a smaller central island. The overall bezel size remains the same as the iPhone 17 series, said IceUni. Verse, a leaker with a decent track record, on Weibo. The original post is in Chinese. I've used a machine translation. Dynamic Island is the software response to the cutout at the top of the display. The cutout houses the front-facing camera and the apparatus that powers Face ID. iPhone 18 Pro Max rumors of purple and brown finishes have also circulated, but Gurman believes those are just variants of the same red idea. Weibo-based Leaker digital chat station has now thrown their weight behind the rumor. In a post shared over the weekend, the leaker said there was a high likelihood that Apple is testing the deep red finish, based on the fact that they have seen the same color in prototypes of next-generation Android phones by rival brands. It's unclear if the leaker is suggesting that Android makers have inside knowledge of Apple's color plans and are aiming to match it, or that the color's appearance is a sign of shared trend forecasting. Both Apple and Android OEMs likely rely on global color forecasting agencies that track fashion trends, and if deep red is on trend, several companies could end up adopting it independently. However, Android makers are also well known for copying Apple's design trends. According to Instant Digital, another Weibo-based leaker, Apple's iPhone 18 Pro models won't come in black this year. If the rumor is true, it will be the second consecutive year Apple has ditched what was arguably its most classic color option for the Pro lineup. The premium devices are expected to arrive this September alongside Apple's first foldable iPhone. With just 4 months to go before the unveiling of Apple's new generation of iPhones, the first major leaks about the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro are already starting to surface. According to the latest rumors, the company is preparing changes to both the design and internal hardware, including improvements to the battery, cameras, and satellite connectivity. One of the most talked about changes would be a smaller dynamic island, something many users have been waiting for years to make even better use of the front screen. While it wouldn't disappear completely, its size would be considerably reduced compared to previous generations. There would also be significant new features in photography. The iPhone 18 Pro could incorporate, for the first time, a main camera with a variable aperture, allowing for better adaptation of the light intake to each situation and offering more advanced control in both photography and video. Inside, we would find the new A20 Pro chip manufactured using a 2-nanometer process, promising a significant leap in both performance and energy efficiency. This would be complemented by the new C2 modem developed by Apple to improve connectivity and battery life. The battery would be another of the main features, especially in the Pro Max model, which according to the leak would reach 5,200 milliamp hours, a figure much higher than previous generations of iPhone. Another key feature would be 5G satellite connectivity, further expanding communication capabilities in areas without traditional coverage. In addition, Apple is reportedly redesigning the recently introduced camera control button. This new version would abandon capacitive functionality in favor of pressure sensitivity, possibly aiming for a more precise and reliable experience than Redmi Note 17 and Redmi Note 17 Pro in China, a new generation that focuses on two very clear aspects: spectacular battery life and resistance far superior to what is usual in the mid-range. Both models come with HyperOS 3, Snapdragon processors manufactured using a 4nm process, and 8,000 and 9,000 mAh batteries, figures that practically double the capacity found in many current smartphones. The star of the show is the Redmi Note 17 Pro, which, in addition to increasing battery capacity, improves the screen, fast charging, and durability, making it one of the most complete phones in the Redmi Note family. The Redmi Note 17 Pro raises the bar. The Pro model incorporates a 6.83-inch AMOLED screen with 1.5K resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and a spectacular peak brightness of 3,500 nits, ideal for using the phone outdoors. Inside, we find the Snapdragon 6S Gen 4, accompanied by up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, while the battery reaches an impressive 9,000 mAh with 67W fast charging and 22.5W reverse charging. Furthermore, Xiaomi has significantly enhanced the device's durability thanks to Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and IP66, IP68, IP69, and IP69K certifications, something quite unusual in this segment.